Hello guys, namaste and warm welcome from Sushi Man Santosh. Today I'm gonna show you how to cut sashimi and nigiri neta of tuna. I already made video about how to cut tuna block in small pieces for sushi. You can check link on my description box. Okay guys, for the sashimi block I'll have to cut two fingers like this. You can see here the tuna block is frozen, that's why it's not looks like very fresh. Although don't mind about these ones. This video is just for the beginner, not for the professionals. And now time to make sashimi. Okay, you can see here in the block the lining drawn going this way. So if I cut this side is good. Also I can cut from this side as well. But if I try to cut from another side of the same side of the lining of the tuna block, it can destroy and cannot cut properly the fiber of the tuna. So in eating time it will be a hard and it will be a chewy. So we have to always cut the tuna block in the opposite direction of the tuna, opposite direction of the drone. Okay, the lining part. So you can see here the drone is going this side, so I have to cut this ways. Okay, I have to cut always this ways in the opposite direction of the lining part. That's why it looks like a nice, because the slices of the sashimi will be very nicely cutting and nice shape, and eating time it will be easy and smooth. Okay, you can see the shape, the lining of the shape. So I'll show you. Yeah, lining of the shape, Now it happens. It's done there. Normally we have to solve on the time. We have to cut all the sashimi on the time, but in the Europe here is a little bit difference to working style, working culture, the style of the sushi. So I already cut the sashimi and I put in the fridge. I will take out from the fridge and I can give anytime. It's very easy way and very fast. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this. Because there is lots of fiber, I cannot use these ones. Hola, avatar. And this side also have the lots of fiber, so I'll take out these ones by spoons and I'll use for the roll. Now finally my sashimi is ready. I'll show you. Yeah, good. Now this is the block of the tuna. I'm gonna make the neta for the nigiri. Yeah. Okay, let's make the nigiri. Here is also lining, so we have to always cut the opposite line. So I'll cut this ways. Yes, this is the neta for the nigiri. like this. This is the perfect way. There is the fiber, so I can make little bit, and I can make here shoot like this. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about this sushi series, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.